Hello, and today we're reviewing the Bopster scooter. I've got the blue version. Here we go. Hello, everybody, and this is the review of the Bopster scooter. And this is the version. This I got for my 8th birthday, which is today. Anyways, I got the newest version of it. Now let's get started.
Yeah.
Now I can go till there. My dad will stop recording, and then let's get started.
So how was the ride, Mr. Adi?
The ride was good. Now we're in the Shannon River, which is where we started over there. And now we'll just go up and down and up and down. Here we go. I'm going to go to Tesco with this Bopster scooter, and we'll show you how to.
Slowly. Till?
We're back again, and this soft handles, which are we holding, are quite soft. And would you believe it? I fell 2 times down. One just there, and one as when we were somewhere else. But this Bopster, this scooter is quite cool, and the pedals are quite good, and the wheels, you must give them 6 stars because it's super smooth, and this paddle is good. I wouldn't say 6 stars. I would say maybe 4 stars. Yeah, and anyways, we'll be back in 5 minutes. Let's roll.
Wait.
Hello, we're back, and now it's getting dark quite. We better go back home. Bye, and stay tuned, and remember, subscribe the bell icon below to never miss any updates. Bye.